Enjoyed the journey with us. Take a deep breath and let's get started. We're going to get started by coming into a lunge. So this is going to stretch out our hip flexors. So draw that front foot forward and try and get that knee directly over your ankle or just slightly forward. You're going to press the hips forward and draw that ribcage away from the hips. Squeeze those shoulders together and down your back and just really focus on those deep belly breaths. So breathing in slow and deep all the way into your lower belly and lower back to really expand. This will help to relax your nervous system, which will help to not only relax your mind, but also relaxes your body and reduces tension. So keep working through the breath. Slow, deep belly breaths. Breathing in. On that breath out, you want to deepen into the stretch. So pressing the hips right forward, draw that rib cage back and press that chest forward. Pull the shoulders down, working through the breath, breathing in, breathing out, diving into your body, deepening into the stretch. You should be feeling the stretch through the front of your thighs, so that's your hip flexors, and then all the way into the hips. Let's change sides here. Taking your time, really get that knee directly above your ankle, press the hips forward, draw that rib cage away from the hips, relax those shoulders down, focusing on those deep belly breaths, breathing in and out. Relaxing into your body, pressing the hips forward, drawing that rib cage away from your hips, press that chest forward and lengthening through your spine. Working the breath, breathing in and out. Pull the shoulders back. Keep that head upright. Keep working into the breath, breathing in, breathing out. This will reduce tension through the lower back as well. So from there, we're going to come down to laying. So we're going to get that knee directly between your chest and then lower the hips down for a glute stretch. So this will stretch out the glutes or the hips and also the lower back. So get that knee between your chest, press the hips down and really draw that rib cage away from the hips to lengthen the spine. Just watching that those shoulders aren't coming up near your ears. So relax the shoulders down and lengthen through the spine. Keep working into the breath, breathing in and out. Relaxing into your body, continuing to really focusing on those deep belly breaths. The more you work that breath, it's almost like blowing up a balloon from inside out, blowing up the balloon that's inside your belly, inside your lower back. So working on expansion, breathing in. On that breath out, it's all about relaxing your body, deepening into the stretch. Working the breath, breathing in and out, slowing your mind down, slowing your body down. Now we're going to press up. So pressing off your fingertips, draw that rib cage up, set the shoulders down, press your chest forward, looking straight ahead. Really squeeze the shoulders down, really make that effort to lengthen, build yourself up. So this will stretch out your hips and your lower back. Working the breath, breathing in and out. Really relax the shoulders down your back. And from there, we're going to add a bit of a twist in there. So using the elbow to push off your leg, rotating through, you'll find this will get a deeper stretch through the glutes and also the lower back. Working into the breath, breathing in and out. Relaxing the shoulders down your back. Using that elbow to push off, this will stretch out the lower back and also the spine. Coming back to the center, and then we're going to change sides. So bringing that knee in to the center of your chest, lowering the hips down and working back into the breath. Really trying to quieten your mind. So I always think that our thoughts are like clouds. So if you have a blue, clear sky, our thoughts are like clouds, just let them float through. If you notice that you're starting to think too much, just let them float through and focus back on feeling into the stretch, coming back into the breath and just breathing in, listening to my voice, listening to the sounds around you even, just tuning into the environment that you're in, into yourself, connecting to the breath, softening as well on the breath out, letting go, feeling gravity pulling you down to the earth, breathing in slow and deep, And out. Soften the shoulders away from your ears, down your back, pressing yourself up, using your fingertip to press off the mat. Draw the ribcage away from the hips, relax the shoulders down your back. Keep that chin up, lengthening through your spine. Keep coming back to the breath, breathing in. Slow, deep belly breaths, breathing out to set the shoulders down, press that chest forward and lengthen through your spine. And we're going to add that twist into it. So just rotating through, using your elbow to push off the leg to help you rotate through. You might feel that stretch go that little bit deeper into the hips, into your lower back here. Breathing in slow and deep. And on that breath out, just pushing off that little bit more for a deeper stretch. Coming back through the center. And then from there we're going to